Hello everybody, we set off on a hike to Skradski vrh, one of the most beautiful viewpoints in Gorski Kotar. The trail led us through the dense forest, enjoying the sense of the trees, the chirping of birds, and each step brought more and more silence. The path was not too difficult, so this was hiking for the soul. At the top, a beautiful view greeted us, but you will have to see it for yourself through this video. It was a short escape from everyday life, filled with nature and positive energy. Thank you for watching our video, and please subscribe to our channel if you like our contents.
Until next time, bye bye.
Bye guys.